I'm going to pick a killer I've already used and not too good with, the Huntress. We'll have some loadouts with her. We'll just do... Throw the Hunt is not bad. We do Hex Ruin. Corrupt and Nurse's Calling. Sounds good. Such an ass Huntress map. Two of them brought the Vigos thing again, so spawn in main building, which in this map, it's right over there. Wasn't too sure if it was the one with the temple in it or not. Let's do that for fun. Somebody has some dog shit Wi-Fi. Nice little hit. That was close, I'll take it. Can I drop it? I should have prepared that a lot earlier. Oh yeah, scream for me. Where are ya? This is not good. I do not like this Steve at all. I ran out of the hatchets, no! This dude's fucking me up. Eventually they'll fuck up. Eventually they will. He had me in a loop for a while though. It's pretty dangerous. Where are all the fucking hooks? What is this? Oh. How did I not see that? I'd be surprised I'd even get two people at this point. My Hex Ruin get cleansed? Why is it not light up? I think it did. That's not good. I know it didn't. He just got off of it. Oh, these motherfuckers are quick. What happened there, dude? Shit. Hooking them by my totem's not a good idea. That's not good. I'm gonna have to do it. Can't damage it. Damn, that dude's fast. Fuck did this dude go? Fuck it, I'm going back to the gen. Dude, how did they do that so fast? Imagine there was no wall there, he would have been dead. Oh, you didn't drop it. Can't even get upset, it's a good play. Her hatchet throw animation is so fucking slow. I swear that shit used to be faster. And there's somebody else over there. Hit his ankle. all nearby each other. It's gonna be a close one for sure. Somebody near me? Yeah, over here.
Whoa!
Nice flashbang, I guess. Him vaulting kind of gave himself away. Nice play, dude. That was an IQ play. You look good up here. Need more hatchets. We're definitely gonna go back to that gen. I hope I should just camp the whole time, because that has not been working lately. Because of the Blight game. Let's get Steve first. Alright, it's our first guy out. Fuck you. I'll get this bitch out. They're probably friends or something. Randoms usually don't do that for each other. See if I can do this. It's cool that you want to save your friend, but that just adds a hook to your thing now. Go through, thank you. The gen blew up somewhere and I don't know where it was. There he is. Bro loves screaming. We dropped the pallet earlier, which is huge. Yeah, he's fucked this time. Bro's name is TikTok. You have TikTok in your name? You're trying to make highlights? It's not gonna work. See you later. Oh my god, I thought he was dead. That's fine. Who's scratch marks? Who's here? Somebody's nearby. Who the fuck is it? Really going for the unhook? No. All the gens are pretty separated. I gotta let them do that gen. I know it sounds dumb, but I'm gonna let them unhook that guy. Yeah, that's fine. Somebody's over there. Yeah, stay away from my gens. At least we're like halfway through, so it's not too bad. That one hasn't been touched. This guy was by Killer Shack. In a locker. I don't think so, but I'll check. I don't know if they're gonna realize that they're gonna 3-gen themselves, but if not, it's fine. Shit. Being sarcastic. Damn. Oh my god, I'm so glad. It was you that I mistaked for Steve. This is good for us. They're definitely hiding, which I don't blame them. It's the best way to play it. Just to keep going back to all the gens. Be crazy to get some hits. I knew they were gonna do that. It made sense. Because it's baiting. I was over there the whole time. Someone can loop me for a while. Especially that Steve, what he did to me in the beginning, then it's just setting me to lose. He just wants me to lose. And we missed. Good try. Oh, I see one of you. That's not the Steve I wanted. I wanted the other one. Nice. That's what we need. His friend screams nearby. You guys are like that much of friends? I like that though, seeing two friends fuck up. It's pretty nice. Get the fuck away from me. Y'all are really trying to troll me right now? Alright, Leon. They both want to distract me when one of them works on the gen. Like, you think that's gonna work, and it's not. We go to these gens right now. How the fuck did they manage to pull that off? Wow, these guys are really sweating their dicks off. I don't know where he is. Is he opening a gate or is he going for the save? He's going for the saves. I don't know where the other guy is that I knocked. I need to find this guy, like, right. Oh, heard him screaming. You're on a pallet. Alright. Need that Leon dead. He annoyed me with that body block shit. Good. It's a good run of Huntress while it lasted. I'm fucked. They like opened that gate for sure. Oh, he's not dead. Why do I keep thinking these people are dying? Wait, did they open the other gate? How did he drop that while his hands were up? Oh my god. Yeah, they got the escape. Yeah, run away. It's a shame. This just repeats at all the other games. I think I played pretty well with Huntress. I missed a lot of axe throws, but considering I don't really play her, it's not too bad. 71. 49. These levels are a joke. They do not play like them, trust me, they do not. I've seen better play with less levels for characters. This is the loadout for Hag. I have Nurse's Calling, Barbecue, Discordance, and Corrupt. Crow's Eye, I think it's a good map for Hag with a couple of add-ons. We got my map because someone brought Glenvale, which wouldn't have been like too terrible, but I like this map as Hag. Nothing crazy with the offerings. I think they brought the offering where they all spawn together. Just place random traps around. I think we'll do a lot better now since we have perks on a killer. Oh, a lot of the gens are out back. But one here just in case. I haven't played Hag in a hot minute. Here's our first person. I heard using all my traps. Crazy. Still got it off, I don't care. What the fuck? Those scratch marks? Madness. How in the fuck did I lose her? Blowing up gens? Okay. That works. There wasn't that many scratch marks. I'm like, there's no way she would have ran that far. Place some traps in the area. These two should be fine. That should work. I don't know where Laura Croft is. I wonder if she went back to the gem she was working on. I think one of those would work. These guys do not know how to juke a killer. How did I miss that? I always break every pallet sometimes. Yep, he's gonna drop that too, that's fine. Yep, drop that pallet too. Oh, I see, maybe look at the people that are healing. That works too. He's just gonna be annoying. I probably could have knocked him, but I'm not playing around with that shit anymore. Try that. Do 3 for her ass. that many scratch marks again. You think you're sneaky, but I see your blood. We got a lot of hiders within the past few games. Get a really good spot for this one. So we healed off the hook, obviously. Probably near this gen. Or not. I'm gonna go towards the hook again. Trading? Okay. I don't know if I should place them in the same spots. Yeah, a lot of my traps got triggered. Try that. He's probably nearby, but I do want to try and get other people. It's the guy that places 100 million fucking pallets. I think they're way more fun to not. Infinite loop is what we need. Just the same shit over and over again. This is a really good game right now. See if they're in a locker again. No, she's probably just hiding in the back or something. Right there. You are not sneaky. Now you want to get your friend? It's a little rude. I haven't hooked him once, so there's no point going after him right now. Somebody over there. And I gotta place a lot of my traps back. Loop me around Killer Shack if you want. No? Not feeling it? She's dead. Let's place traps at random spots again. I thought this got completed. Secure this whole area. This should be good. All the gens are pretty far, which isn't good. Oh, they're about to pop that shit. thing, there's blood. But I would not have seen her if she was not injured. Damn, about to show him the walker. You guys are just selling. I know they're gonna go back to that gen. Lag spike, that's cool. So that gen doesn't have traps, neither does that one, the other two do. I hear somebody. I have barbecue, so I should be able to see them if they're near me. There she is, all the way over there. Problem is, I don't know exactly where in the back she is. I just know she's back there somewhere. Yeah, she moved away from the spot, clearly. Come on, just hit one of my traps. I need her to do right now. Gonna let him die? I'm gonna spread out my traps more. Hope she does go for the save, to be honest. Oh, there she is, never mind. Perfect. I want to get the kill, so. DC. We'll just kill her real quick. What a poor sport, just leave him like that. Damn, I devoured that bitch. That's what we need. I'm glad we finally won a game after a while. Did we get all area decent? Oh, we got 3. Chaser gold. Yeah, it makes sense. I was knocking them pretty quick. They had Technician. That's such a new perk. Lightweight. There's always like those perks that is common, and then they have these perks where nobody uses them. That's crazy that we got this map again, because one of them brought it, and I brought a sacrificial cake. Because I didn't even want to play this map again. I was like, we already won. No point. Don't place too many traps on one side. We have a nice streak with Hag, that would be fire. Already? Why are all of you here? All of you are here. This is insane. Look at Goldfish. Is he lagging? Or is that a glitch? Well, that Jane Romero had like a bloody outfit. I don't know if that's from the Prestige. I think it is. So she's gonna be pretty decent, I would say. What are y'all doing? What is this? I do not understand what's happening. These kids are not playing Dead by Daylight. They're playing a whole different game. They're playing I fucking suck at this shit. Because they are fucking garbage. Do I drop the pallet? Yeah. They're on a whole nother universe. I'm pretty impressed at how they're playing right now. Keep up the good work, guys. Keep activating my traps, that's fine. I'm not even camping him. Why the fuck did he leave? Only person I can hit yet. Drop pallet. Did that just to scare him? Oh, he's right there. Wait, what is he on? Oh, this is the bot, that's right. He's still playing like normal Bill, so he's pretty accurate to his bot. The thing about the bot, they always go to pallets. They're pretty annoying though. I'm fine with that. Okay, you're right there. Like, why are they grouping together? I don't know. I just play the game. So you want to go in basement? I'm good, thank you. I'll kill you next. Looks good to me. I'm fine with that. We're just gonna die. Never mind. Be pretty surprised if she goes for save here. But the way these kids have been playing, they've been grouping together mostly the whole game, so they might. That's all I gotta do, and I pretty much won here. I'll be really surprised she really tries to go for it, like I said. I don't know what she would gain out of it. What the fuck? What the fuck is that, Jane Romero? Am I missing something here? They're really that grouped up together? Was she hiding in a locker? Decisive strike. I can respect it. I'm gonna go back to the basement. Fuck it. You have fun. You're picking her up. What a sweet person. That was an IQ play, guys. Yeah. Yes. Yes. I don't remember if she's dead now. Or maybe she is. She did die. Got a game of cat and mouse now. I don't think they brought any. No. She might be able to get it. Fuck. Killer shack, no. I think this is the one main building. No, it's not. Please, I can't lose Hag. I'm dominating with her. Just place traps down? I think it's a bad idea. It's slowing me down to finding Hatch. Oh, there she is. No way! You gotta be fucking kidding me. Lost to a fucking Hatch. Insane. Like, I don't know. I knew that was gonna happen. Not with Hag, but it's somebody. Prestige 88, yep, you definitely did not play like it. I don't even know who to use next. Freddy Krueger, I've never used him. Let's just get him out of the way. I'm just gonna put Nurse's Calling on him. Dog shit. We're definitely losing. Fake pallets, it's a good thing about him. James Snare. Let's see. Okay. This being Hag already. This actually would have been a good Hag map too. Guess we'll teleport. Oh, we're there. He went back in already? This guy's a little cocky, isn't he? He didn't use the pallet. Thought he was going to. Got him last second. Just keep going all day, dude. Down this side. No, he ran away. AFK person. Sucks when that happens. We're gonna save her for last. Oh, there she is. Never mind. Damn, I thought I was gonna yoink. Should have faked that. Bad mistake by her. She would have faked it. She would have had me there. And this guy's killing himself. For what reason? Oh, nice. Oh, the Sable got saved. I thought he got saved. Fine with that. Let's teleport to this one. Upstairs. I like that he can teleport. This makes it a lot easier. Oh, buddy, huh? Oh, okay. Person I almost knocked earlier. And now Sable's here. Let's just get Sables again. Nice. Any fake pallets near here? Fuck, where is she? Damn. I hear you. Yes. Oh, she's down, huh? Wait. What, did he just drop down? I wasn't too sure. I saw that hole earlier. Is there any hooks nearby? Oh, up here. I've played this map a few times. Oh my god, what are these hooks? He's gonna wiggle out. Yeah, like, what the fuck is that? She just loves camping pallets. Good play. Definitely got you this time. Damn, bitch, how you so fast? Sprint burst. Makes sense, you're a Meg Thomas. I think they all saw that that was a pallet drop. There's no point putting a fake pallet there. I'd be doing a lot worse with them, but I'm not. I want her. Big pallet, perfect. Probably on that gen, but I'll just knock her. Basement in there, yep. her. Saw you through the window. Oh, okay. I think everyone's just both wands. One teleporting. They'll think that's a real pallet. Sprint burst. Probably shouldn't drop that. Go to the basement. Did I drop that? What? Huh? Maybe it was a fake pallet or some shit. Is that a perk or something? Recovering pallets? That fast, huh? She doesn't have sprint burst, I thought she did. What the heck you doing up there? Is there a clock there? Two gens left. And yeah, close one again. They're all together? I didn't want to go after her. People just ask to die. I think it's hilarious. So she has a... Okay. I don't think she can use DS. She just wanted to die. Nice. I hear you. I don't remember if she's two hooked or not. Oh, they both are. We're gonna slug. I haven't done that in a while, so. Actually, should I? I don't know. Fuck it. Let's not slug. Not good with this map. I have no idea where Hatch could be. Oh, I just heard that. Perfect. They're right by each other. Just kidding, they're not. teleport. Where's the other gate? Did I say it was right here? Oh yeah, see, he's probably at the other one. No. Just gonna go, sneaky mode on me. I know if there's a pallet nearby. This one. I could drop a fake one. She opened it. Are you fucking kidding me, man? That was not bad. Could have done worse. Got 2 iridescents. Bronze. Good. Prestige 9. Sprint first. I figured that. Self-care. Such a shit perk. Didn't play too bad.